Hello friends, I am Dr. Sonal Chandak. In this presentation, we are going to speak on one of the important issues, that is preparation of the suspense account while going through the process of rectifying the accounting errors. Friends, when the casting of the trial balance shows a deviation, a difference, then we have to prepare the suspense account. Now, what is this suspense account? Suspense account is absolutely a temporary ledger account which is temporarily created. It's absolutely a temporary arrangement. It is opened for putting the difference on the shorter side of the trial balance. Means whichever side is shorter, by that shorter amount, we are writing the suspense account in the trial balance. Sometimes it is not possible to locate some one-sided errors in spite of taking all efforts for their detection. As a trial balance is the basic input of preparation of final accounts, final statements, it is not possible to stop there, retain the open trial balance till those errors are detected. Then what we do is we create suspense account temporarily. The only option left with the accountants is create temporarily, put the difference on the shorter side of the balance and call it as the suspense account. Thus, we can say that suspense account is a temporary ledger account in which the entries are made when the exact profile of one-sided errors are not identified or cannot be identified. Friends, there are certain uses, there is certain utility of preparation of the suspense account so far as the identification, detection and clarification of the accounting errors are concerned. So what are these utilities? Number one, a very important is it helps in preparation of the trial balance. Now, when trial balance does not agree, it does not match, the amount of difference can be put on the shorter side as the suspense account. And the trial balance for the certain time is treated to be closed. Here, we can use this trial balance for the preparation of the final accounts. While on one side, accountant tries to isolate, to know, to find out what are the different errors. On the other side, the process of preparation of final accounts does not stop. It can be continued. Here, in this process, preparation of the trial balance is equally important. Naturally, at this step, the suspense account plays a great role. The second utility or the second use or the second importance of preparation of suspense account is it helps in locating the errors. The amount of suspense account helps to locate the errors because with the amount of suspense account, the accountant can find the errors committed in the past. And therefore, it becomes easier for us to identify and take the track and clear off and correct the or rectify the errors. Besides this, the suspense account helps us in judging the nature of the error. The balance of suspense account helps the accountant to locate the error. The error, because the balance, that is debit or credit, helps the accountants to determine the possible head of the account in which the error might have been committed. Say for example, if there is a debit balance of suspense account, it may be due to the errors committed in the accounts related to some asset or some expenses. And similarly, if there is a credit balance of the suspense account, maybe it is because of the errors committed in the liabilities or the revenues. There is every possibility. So, we get a particular direction and we can be in a position to, maybe probably we are in a position to spot the place of error or the side of error. The most important utility or use or the importance of preparation of suspense account is that it helps in rectifying one-sided errors entirely. When the errors are detected, the amount is transferred from suspense account to the respective account. The suspense account stands automatically closed when the entire one-sided errors are rectified. Thus, the nil balance in the suspense account is a conclusive proof that there is an absence of one-sided errors in the books of accounts. Also, the suspense account helps us in preparation of the final accounts. As we know, the trial balance is the basic input for preparation of the final accounts. In case of disagreement of the total of the trial balance, the accountant need not to stop. The accountant can put this difference on the shorter side of the trial balance as the suspense account, and he can proceed in the preparation of the final accounts. And in this sense, the disagreement of the trial balance does not stop or does not hamper the preparation of the final accounts and does not waste the time of the accountant as well. On one side, he can prepare the final accounts. On the other side, he can put the accounts for the identification of the error and rectification of the same. Friends, as we know, the suspense account is a absolutely temporary account. It is a temporary arrangement. It is opened with the amount of the difference in both the sides of the trial balance. By putting the amount on the shorter side of the trial balance can be totaled up and balanced. It is worth mentioning that thereafter, as and when the errors get detected, the amount is transferred from the suspense account to the respective account. In this process, after detection of every error, the balance of suspense account starts reducing gradually, and when all the errors are rectified, there will be a nil balance in the suspense account. In other words, we can say that suspense account stands automatically closed when all the one-sided errors are rectified. Thank you.